achievements and exemplary leadership skills in leading the student liberation evangelists during the summer, June-July of 2024 in spreading the gospel through the printed pages. Given this 31st day of July 2024 at the Catholic Manukat and Sipol Restaurant, Villa Rivaldo Street, Iloilo City. This is presented to Brother Arnold G. Amores. The group to please come for the picture. Magluwas na may ano mga ano to. May isa pa. Marami token pa. Tapos hindi, papapicture na yun ang group ha. Okay, nila, group. Group, dynamic. Sila